everyone, my name is Sanjey and I recently had the esteemed opportunity to attend the Endeavours Marine Summer Programme organized by Dakshin Endeavours. The program was an immersive experience that combined hands-on fieldwork, basic research methodologies, and valuable networking within the marine science community. Each of us conducted a study of a marine ecosystem of choice, observing a range of marine organisms and learning about their ecological roles. Understanding sustainable fishing practices and the balance between human activities and marine conservation was also particularly enlightening. A highlight of the program was an engaging session with the researchers from the Dakshin Foundation. They provided detailed explanations and shared personal experiences on topics such as coral bleaching, the role of fishing communities in marine conservation, and sustainable fishing practices. The program culminated in the preparation and presentation of our research findings, which was both challenging and rewarding. Presenting to peers, mentors, and organizers highlighted the collaborative and educational nature of the program. I extend my deepest gratitude to our mentors and coordinators for their invaluable guidance and support. The program has enriched my understanding of marine ecosystems, refined my research skills, and fostered valuable connections within the field of marine science. I'm eager to continue pursuing opportunities in marine research and conservation. Thank you for listening.